Welcome back to Trend Cars, the channel where we dive into the most exciting and luxurious vehicles shaping the future of driving and travel. Today we have something truly special for you, a groundbreaking creation that blends SUV elegance with full motorhome versatility, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC Motorhome is here, and it's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of innovation, comfort, and freedom. Imagine taking the refined style of the GLC and transforming it into a compact luxury motorhome. Designed for those who want to explore without compromise, this is not just a camper, it's a rolling luxury suite on wheels asterisk. The first thing you notice about the 2026 GLC Motorhome is its striking exterior. Mercedes has crafted it with the same sleek and modern design language that defines its SUV lineup, yet it carries subtle modifications that reveal its motorhome character. The front end boasts the bold Mercedes grille with its iconic star emblem proudly displayed, framed by adaptive LED headlights that look as futuristic as they are functional. Along the side you'll spot a longer roofline, aerodynamic body panels, and cleverly integrated storage compartments. These are not just design elements, they're practical touches that allow this motorhome to blend functionality with style. The rear features a unique motorhome tailgate design and LED light bar that stretches across, giving it a futuristic glow on highways at night. Step inside, and the magic really begins. The cabin of the GLC Motorhome is where Mercedes-Benz shows its true mastery of luxury. The interior is designed to make you forget you're even in a vehicle. From premium leather seating to natural wood and brushed aluminum accents, the space feels like a luxury penthouse suite. But what really makes it special is how versatile and efficient everything is. The GLC Motorhome uses smart space management to give you a full living area without sacrificing comfort. You'll find a fold-out sofa that converts into a plush bed, a compact yet fully functional kitchenette with induction cooking, a sink and a refrigerator, and even a dining area with space for 2 to 4 people. Mercedes engineers have also integrated hidden storage everywhere, ensuring that you can pack for long adventures without feeling cluttered. One of the standout features is the panoramic smart glass roof. During the day it floods the interior with natural light and offers breathtaking views of the sky. At night it transforms with built-in ambient lighting and privacy tint options, making it feel both open and intimate whenever you need it. And if you're worried about entertainment, Mercedes has thought of that too. The GLC Motorhome comes with a full infotainment suite, including a massive OLED display, voice control through the MBUX system, surround sound audio, and even streaming capabilities. So whether you're parked by a quiet lake or in the heart of a bustling city, you'll always have luxury entertainment at your fingertips. Now let's talk about performance. The 2026 GLC Motorhome isn't just about luxury, it's also engineered for the road. Mercedes has equipped it with advanced hybrid powertrain options, including a plug-in hybrid that combines a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with electric motors, delivering both efficiency and power. For those seeking cutting-edge tech, there's also an all-electric variant boasting a large capacity battery pack offering impressive driving range. Perfect for long adventures without constant charging stops. Thanks to Mercedes eDrive technology, charging is fast and convenient. Whether you're plugging in at a campsite or using rapid chargers along highways, you'll be back on the road quickly. Handling is another area where the GLC Motorhome shines. Unlike bulky traditional RVs, this model drives more like a premium SUV. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, adaptive suspension, and intelligent drive assist features keep it smooth and stable on highways, while still capable on gravel roads or mountain passes. This makes it a true go-anywhere luxury motorhome, offering freedom and confidence in every journey. Of course, no modern Mercedes would be complete without safety. The 2026 GLC Motorhome includes the brand's latest suite of intelligent driver assist systems. Features like adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping, blind spot assist, and automatic emergency braking are all standard. There's also a specialized motorhome safety package, which takes into account the extended size and weight of the vehicle to provide added stability during windy conditions or sharp turns. Even parking is made easy with a 360-degree camera system and automatic park assist. Mercedes has also embraced sustainability in the design of this motorhome. Beyond the hybrid and electric powertrain options, the cabin incorporates eco-friendly materials such as recycled fabrics, sustainable wood trims, and energy-efficient climate systems. Solar panels are integrated into the roof, providing supplemental power for onboard. Appliances making off-grid camping easier and greener than ever asterisk, but the real charm of the GLC Motorhome is the lifestyle it represents. Imagine pulling up to a scenic viewpoint, stepping inside and having everything you need at your fingertips. A hot meal, a comfortable bed, panoramic views, and the peace of mind that you're traveling in one of the most advanced luxury motorhomes ever built. This isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about making the journey itself the highlight of your adventure asterisk. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC Motorhome is expected to appeal to a new generation of travelers who demand both mobility and luxury. People who don't want to choose between an SUV and a camper, but instead want a perfect blend of both. Mercedes has once again raised the bar by proving that the future of travel doesn't have to sacrifice comfort or style asterisk. So whether you're planning cross-country adventures or spontaneous weekend getaways, the GLC Motorhome offers a perfect solution. It's compact enough to handle like a car, luxurious enough to feel like a suite, and practical enough to be a home on wheels. This is truly a game changer in the motorhome market and a perfect example of Mercedes-Benz innovation meeting real-world needs asterisk. That wraps up our look at the stunning 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC Motorhome. What do you think of this luxury motorhome on wheels? Could you see yourself exploring the world in one of these? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of luxury travel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Trend Cars, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Until next time, keep dreaming big and driving in style.